Hello, this is Cass. Welcome to another video lesson with me. As you know, we recently started a section of preposition videos. This time I'll teach you 3 basic prepositions of time that you can use from scratch. By the way, if you didn't know what is the meaning of from scratch, it means from the very beginning. However, something I consider very important is that you can apply these prepositions of time to the present tense, which is great if you're learning that in your school lessons. Now, without any more context, let's start. As you know, we typically use the present simple to describe habits and routines. As part of our routines, it is rather common to say when exactly we do the actions, especially if we are referring to a moment of the day. There are 4 moments in a day: morning, afternoon, evening, night. I will give you an example and I want you to try to complete the phrase. Egg running, morning. Think about it. How would you complete this phrase? Is it A, on, B, in, or C, at? If you need to, please make a pause in the video and let me know your response in the comments. The correct answer is V, in the morning. I go running in the morning. Now, let's try another exercise together. I watch TV night. Which is the correct answer? Is it A, in the, B, on, C, at? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. The correct answer is C, at. It is, I watch TV at night. What happens here? Did you discover the pattern? It is simple. We normally use the preposition in with the words morning, afternoon, and evening. In other words, you have to say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But you could never say in the night. That doesn't sound very well in English. Instead of that, you should always say at night. I know this is an exception, but fortunately it is just one. It isn't complicated. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Now, what if I want to say a day of the week? Look at the sentence. She goes to camera club Tuesdays and Saturdays. What do you think is the answer? Is it A, on, B, in, or C, at? What do you think? The correct answer is A, on. She goes to camera club on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Did you make the right choice? What is the pattern then? When we want to say a day of the week, you should always use the preposition on. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. That's it. This is easier because there are no exceptions. As additional information, maybe you'd like to know that we can divide the week into periods. From Monday to Friday, we call it weekdays. Saturday and Sunday is called weekend. Be careful, because we don't use the same preposition with these 2 words. When we are referring to weekdays, we will normally use the preposition on. Therefore, we say on weekdays. Whereas, if you're referring to the weekend, you will say at the weekend. Let's make some sample sentences. John doesn't cook on weekdays. Sophia goes to evening classes at the weekend. Have you got any questions? Number 3 and last. What if I want to say the exact time I do an activity? Well, first, let's discover what you think. If I said, David starts work 10:30 in the morning, which is the correct answer? Is it A, the, B, at, C, on? The correct answer is at. I will give you some exercises so that you can practice the things we learned today. Don't hesitate to post your answers in the comments. I'd really love to know if you have the correct answers. I appreciate that you have watched this video. If you found this information useful, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!